Di mali yan. I came to win, to fight, to conquer, to thrive. I came to win, to survive, to prosper, to rise, to fly. To fly. Yeah. I wish today it would rain all day. Maybe that would kind of make the pain go away. Trying to feel the view for abandoning me. Praying by the things till an angel away. Angel away, yeah, strange in a way. Maybe that is why I say strange in a way. They got their guns out aiming at me, but I become me when they're aiming at me. Me against them. Me against enemies, me against friends. Somehow they both seem to become one. A sea full of sharks and they all see blood. They start coming and I start rising. Must be surprising, I'm just surmising. A win, thrive, soar, higher, 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 more fire. Win, survive, to conquer, to thrive. I came to win, to survive, to prosper, to rise, to fly. To fly. Everybody wanna try to box me in, suffocating every time I lost me in. Face their own features as they cost me in, but I will remain when the top begins. Cause I am not a word, I am not a line, I am not a girl that can ever be defined. I am not a cry, I am reputation. I represent an entire generation, a hypnotism is loud and clear. That is how I know that the time is near. So we become alive in the time of fear, and I go my fucking time is near. Time my eyes up for days upon days, such a heavy burden placed upon me. Run your go hard, your names become yays. Yankees stay you with Jason Kanye's. One, to fight, to conquer, to thrive. I came to win, to survive, to prosper, to rise, to fly. To fly. Get ready for it, get ready for it. I came to win. Get ready for it, get ready for it, get ready for it. I came to win, to fight, to conquer, to thrive. I came to win, to survive.